Audio Jungle.
Victoria is here with a unique and awesome platform. So, welcome to Crypto Victoria community, ladies and gentlemen. So, before starting the review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, press the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So, guys, let's start review now. Today I come with an awesome project which is about Selfie Steve. So I describe about how you can buy this token, how you can hold and get benefits in future. I explain each and everything about this amazing platform, about their tokens, NFTs. So don't miss any part of the video, and I have placed all official links in my video description. So before starting the review of this amazing platform, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. So guys, welcome back to Selfie Steve. So here is their beautiful profile picture. Here you can see, and basically it is live on Rhythm, and it is basically Solana blockchain program. Here you can see their official contract address of the Steve, and here you can see there it is listed on web exchange, Dex Screener, and here you can see about the Selfie Steve take selfies where he goes, where you can go, you can take your selfies and join Selfie Steve as a travel through iconic movements in history, pop culture and current events. So you can join the Selfie Steve in pop culture, also in the current events. Here you can see also their tokenomics, and here you can see there the symbol which is Selfie Steve. This is the token supply, total supply of the Selfie Steve tokens, and here you can see their initial DEX LP burn, which is here about 60% LP locked, and airdrop will be started after in upcoming days, and DX liquidity also, and DX liquidity will start, and pre-sale also started there, and CEX will place, and there is also about marketing and team plan also about Selfie Steve. So guys, here is there is Selfie Steve tokenomics. Here you can see CEX about 5.0%, marketing about 5%, and airdrop 5%, pre-sale will be 10%, and team about 15%, and DEX also 60% self-esteem. So here you can see their pictures, and this is the basically Selfie Steve roadmap. And if you have to invest in any platform, you have to read their roadmap, which describe their past and future development about the all of the project. So it is divided into different phases. As you can see there, in 2024 airdrop start, pre-sale start, their launch also, and it will be listed on all famous exchanges like CoinGecko, Dex Screener. On Dex Screener, it is completed and it is done. CoinGecko will be listed in upcoming few days, and also marketing project is ongoing. And in 2024, next phase will be more airdrop rewards and marketing project, and they will launch their original FN NFTs on the Solana blockchain, and they also donate their volunteer for a cause in self-esteem name coin market cap. As I have described, it will become in upcoming few days, and more their NFTs, more airdrops, and make their website more better in few days. So they're also on listing on exchanges, airships, NFTs, donations. It will be continue in 2025 and 2026, and their self-Steve game also on the website. So this is the all about the current roadmap of the Selfie Steve, and I have explained all about the Selfie Steve. So here is the Selfie Steve on famous exchange Dex Screener. Here you can see the current price of the Selfie Steve token, which is about $0.00149, and it is guys very low, and you can easily purchase this, and you can get lot of benefits in upcoming days. As their price increases, you will get more benefits. So you have to must join this platform, you have to invite your friends and families also. And here you can see their liquidity, which is 18k dollars, and total market cap, their volume. And here is the beautiful bluish graph of Steve. And here you can see how it's pumping. It's sometimes it's dump, but it will be completely bluish in upcoming days. So guys, here you can see there the whole token holders which they have buy this token, and they are holding this amazing token Selfie Steve. So you have to must join this amazing platform. And there are the all social medias accounts of the Selfie Steve, their Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter. So you have to must join their all of the social medias account for news, for updation of upcoming days, and you can get all information about this project. So guys, this is the Telegram community of Selfie Steve. You have to must join this, and you can get, as I described, you can get all upcoming information about their listing, their airdrops in this community. So you have to must join this. So here we are conducting our Emma's live session on Solana every Wednesday and Saturday. You can join. You can see their live sessions, Emma's live session every Wednesday and Saturday about Selfie Steve. And basically we are, this is the Facebook account of the Selfie Steve. You have to must join this. And basically we are want to use our tokens to purchase our NFTs. So you can buy this and their NFTs by our tokens. And here are all of the new animations of Steve which is upcoming, and they will be launched soon. So guys, you have to must join this amazing platform. This is their Instagram official account. You have to must join this. So I hope you like my video. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.